Hi guys, well welcome back to MK Sportscars. We are at the British Motor Show. Now if you've not been here before, we haven't been here before, great family show, lots going on, lots of stuff for kids as well, which you normally don't get a lot of these NEC and auto sports shows that we do. So if you want a family type of event, outside and inside, this is probably the event for you and the family to come to. But we're here, we're exhibiting with a couple of cars. It's a full range actually. So we've got the Sprint 185, which you've never seen this before. It's got the 2 litre Dura Power, about 200 horsepower, 570 kilos, so a very quick, lightweight sports car with a 5-speed box. All brand new component car, brand new registrations on these vehicles. You can build them in kit form, or you can actually have it factory built. So that's option number one. Number two is the cup car. If you want to go racing, or you want a track day enthusiast, or you want to do more of a bike engine type theme, which is you've never done before, you're an ex-motorbike and you think, I want 4 wheels now, but I want the same feel, this is the car for you. Cup 200, 206 horsepower, 480 kilos, these cars come in, and it's a regulation weight of 595 kilos a driver. Amazing car, it's super lightweight, own championship with a 750 motor club, really stonking. You've got the FA roll cage on here. You can put a roll bar only, and both of these roll cages are updatable and upgradable on all the models actually. And you've got a nice digital dash in here, the AIM dashboard. 2 sets of wheel options. Got these wheels, which is the CXR as we call it, or our brand new wheel, which is called the VR1. These are also available. Now I know a few of you are tuned in and watch us quite regularly, know that already, but for those of you who are not watching, if you want to know information about these two cars, you want to go racing, or just a fast road car, you know where we are, hook us up, phone call, email. But you're thinking, I'm a home builder, I want to get involved with my dad, my granddad, my brother, my sister, my aunt, my friend, my mates, I want to get involved in that, then this is the car probably that's focused towards you. It's the RX5, so the MK RX5, it's an MX5 Mark II donor vehicle that we use on these, and we take quite a few components from it. We take the engine, the gearbox, the differential, the drive shafts to the rear uprights, the braking system, the front uprights, the steering column, and even down to the dashboard and the gear knob on here. Now these are very much starting out, full kit, 11,995 plus VAT. It's a much more, I'm going to say, affordable option for you perhaps, for you and your friends or family to build with. Cracking looking car, and you can see they all look the same. Got the cup nose cone on them, do the 2 different roll bars that we do, more the roll cages. Really interesting product. 140 horsepower is stock, and then we'd also do a turbo conversion which can increase that anywhere up to, well, we've had over 375 horsepower, but realistic numbers on a stock engine up to about 250. So these are the 3 cars we've got here. If you want to hook us up, phone call, email, come and see it at the factory and go, maybe I want to get in that seat and have a little test drive, hook us up, phone call, email, MK Sportscars, and we will definitely be excited to see you at the factory. But what I'm going to do now is spin round and show you in this Hall 5, sorry, Hall 1 are we here? Sorry, Hall 1 we are, Lewis, I'm getting confused. Hall 1, because there is Hall 5 and there is a lot more outside. We're going to show you what's in here. Now, a lot of supercars, you're into supercars, this is probably the place to come. You'll see more Lamborghinis and Ferraris than you've ever seen in my life. Lots of this type of thing for the family and the kids, where you've got simulators. There's quite a few simulators in here. You've got Ferraris. Now, I'm not a supercar knowledgeable fan, so don't ask me to name all of them, but I know it's a Ferrari, I know it's a Lamborghini, and whatever it is in that sense. So, but these, this wrap company, I think it's called a Satin Black, is it the Satin Black Club, Lewis, isn't it? Satin Black Collection. Satin Black Collection, yeah, they're all the same. Whether it's what it in that range, really cool. And there's a lot of wrapping competitions going on today actually. This car was actually wrapped over the weekend. Very striking colours in this Lamborghini. It was black at the beginning, they've wrapped it over the weekend just to show them what they can do. You can see they've got the wrap ready to do the other sections here. So there was a lot of that going on, so if you want to get involved in that or you're interested in it, it's probably a good show to come and have a chat. Because I think Yanamize is here, if you're into that kind of thing, he was here doing stuff as well. Then you've got some amazing other cars, all Ferraris, Lamborghini Uruses, BMWs, Alphas, all the way through. Then we'll walk through the middle. Probably going to be difficult to show you every single thing, but if we go through here, we'll cut through. You've got all kinds of supercars here. You've got another Ferrari. Sorry, you see in the back of my head. Got another Ferrari here. I was amazed that this company does like storage and selling and think of them as well, but it's like think it's about 450 grand sitting there. It's amazing. Beautiful cars though, absolutely stunning to look at. We head over here. You got Tim Dutton here with his new Dutton Phaeton. I don't know much about the model, so there's no point in me talking you through it. Then you got Dan DJC here, next door to us actually, with his V-Storm, which is another. He's actually got a couple in the supercar paddock slots. These are anything up to 600 horsepower of a Subaru engine, and it's a 3-seater. So if you don't want 2 seaters, you need 3 seats. Then you can take you and the 2 kids out. Dan with his V-Storm. That's something. Is another Essex manufacturer actually, and so if you want it, DJC Sportscars, hook him up if you're interested in this type of product. Very well engineered. I know you're going to say it looks like an aerial wagon, but it's got an extra seat. It's a space frame type chassis, and very interesting car. And then we've got over here we've got the Global being relaunched. Ollie and his team for Global Lights Motorsports. It's been relaunched, taken over the project. Really trying to give them. So if you're want to get into maybe racing single-seater type things in Equip, they do that. They race them in here. It's got a 1000cc bike engine in there, and he's doing a new 2-seater version at some point as well, but I think you can put other options in there, 600s and 800s. They race them in Northern Ireland as well, so that's another little project. So both Essex-based manufacturers, if you want to get involved with them, then hook up Global or down at DJC. Right, so let's head on, man. There's lots of little pop-up stores, like for gins and memorabilia and holiday things. So it's lots of these kind of things where if you're into Sims, some of these Sims are unbelievable today, what you see going around, so realistic. I was watching these in action yesterday. There's food stores and everybody else. Tuning companies, I mean, that's beautiful. I love a little Alpha 4C, and these are making big horsepower. I think these are 250 stock, and what are they making now? 425. That's a monster, and that's a beautiful looking car. Really like that actually. And then moving on down, you got the main sponsor, which is Kazoo. They're doing like a family zone. Look, Back to the Future, a DeLorean. How cool is that? Amazing. So you got, Kazoo is the main sponsor. They've got a big family kids zone here. And our good friend Grace Webb is actually doing some presenting on that as well. So say hi to Grace. She's doing a fantastic job with them. And then you've got things like Scare Electrics going on here, like racing, fastest times. All over there he's got more like memorabilia stuff, and quite a few mainstream manufacturers where you've got Motorpoint to a car dealer, car traders. Don't want to see the back of my head, guys. Here, let's get to the good stuff. Mercedes here, beautiful stand. I mean the AMG GT, beautiful car. One of my, it's a 63 I think, it's one of my, maybe a bucket list tick off job. Lovely stand that they've got, beautiful cars. Smart car here as well. Toyota here, as other brands that's going on. Don't know much about Toyotas, not really my biggest fan if I'm being honest. And then moving over to Tesla. Actually, Tesla have launched here. If you know you're into electrics, you're into your hybrids, you're all green and what you do, then head over here. They've got the Model S and the Model Y. I'm not really, and they've got this new autonomous car, which is going to be like a taxi, this silver thing, so it's going to be completely self-driven. If Lewis will probably get his camera in there. There's no steering wheel in it, no nothing. It's going to be self-drive, and it's going to taxi you about, apparently. I mean, I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that. I like a steering wheel and the gears and everything as well, but it's completely autonomous. It's going to be the new thing. Perhaps it's be your new Uber, I don't know, that's going to come and collect you and it'll pick you up and take you wherever. So you've got lots of that going on. Then you've got the live stage here. Now we head over to the live stage. Some of these new Chinese brands, Jayco, I think they're called. Jayco. Quite cool cars actually, look, really nice wheels. They're nice. The live stage where you've got Tim and Fuzz and a few of the other guys. I think Ewan Thomas was here as well. Grace is on stage there as well. And a couple other influencers. They're doing stuff with the Lego team, and a massive Lego team. So say for kids who are going, what do I do next? What do I do next? You would have gone and look at the cars. You've got a little bit of interest for them as well. They can come and play and interact. Now, that's a cool Lego car. Looks like a McLaren, doesn't it? It's a Lego built car. Very, very cool. And then you're going to head on down. We go speed up. Fast forward here. Beautiful cars like this. It's a, I think they were, what are they? Car telemetry. So a nice Audi R8, and then you've got our mainstream like BMW, Peugeot, and at the very, very bottom is a massive sim. So if your kids are into sim racing, there's like 20 or 30 sims down there to do it. So very, very cool. So that's it. What I'm going to do now, though, you're probably bored of my voice. I'm going to send Lewis outside because there's tons of activities and another hall where there's a bit of a max power thing going on with the sound off as well. So I'm going to send Lewis outside, but that's me signing off from MK Sportscars at the British Motor Show. Get yourself down here, have some fun. If you want to get into one of our cars, hook us up, phone call, email, come and see it at the factory. Look forward to seeing you at the next event, guys.